All right, so I want to do a follow-up on one of the sales calls that I just did. There was a few points that I wanted to do some follow-up for our future salesmen, so I wanted to give you this training video. Probably going to put that online as well for you guys. So basically what I'm doing right now is selling an high-ticket offer at $6,000, and we've been very successful with this offer. We sold a few with a very high conversion rate in the past week. So now I just got a no, but it was a classic no from a classic poor mindset person. So I want to tell you how to deal with a broke mindset, with a real, not a poor, with a real broke or whatever, broke, poor mindset, okay? So let me put you in a situation a little bit. So I'm selling a high ticket offer. It's basically a trading floor, so people will come in person, learn with us. So basically we used to sell mentoring in person and in group. We're gonna do that as well, but now it's also a trading floor, so it's more attractive. And we basically also, like you're gonna see when I'm gonna give you the price and the offer, to entice people to get the high ticket offer at $6,000, the yearly deal. We also give basically the opportunity to get a monthly price at $1,000, but they are not getting the most important bonus, okay? So basically, to make it short, if someone has the $6,000, they will get the $6,000 offer. It's just too much a better offer and a better price to take the 1,000. But the reason why I'm doing the 1,001 as well is because if someone really doesn't have 6,000 or nothing close to it, I want to give them a second option at the moment. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. So the person start by saying, hey, I've been following Nick, which is co-owner with me, right? Basically the main trader, the face of the brand. Since the start. He said, I've been following him since the start. He literally gave me like the address of his parents, right, where he was living. And he said, I've been following since he was like starting from his parents at on this street, Like, and the way you're gonna understand that the way he said that or why he said that is not really positive in any way. It was more like a little bit like he was emotional, like I'm kind of forgetting the word, but basically he was a little bit kind of angry or emotional at us, not at him. All right, and when you say since the start, it's like 4 or 5 years ago, right? So it's a while ago. So anyway, let's get into the point. So the guy at one point, right, basically says like, I'm not living paycheck to paycheck. I'm living to paycheck to paycheck. Like, I'm not rich. And when he said that, and at the end, basically, when he didn't add any money, not even $500, and on the call, we have a question that says, do you have financial, like, are you willing and able to, do you have, I don't know the exact question basically, but we're asking if people are financially able to make a financial decision, right? If they have money to invest in themselves for the service, for the offer, okay? And he did answer yes, right? So right away when someone like does that, like we know right away there's an issue, right? Because why would they be on the call if they really don't have any money, but they're gonna lie to say that they have money just to be on the call? And anyway, it's not like the guy is a beginner, he doesn't understand what is going on, right? And I literally saw the guy was emotional. Okay, so he literally like was taking his head with both ends, you know, when you're literally like on the call and someone is talking to you and you're like literally doing that, stuff like that, right? At one point he was like almost like crying or something. And it was really emotional. And when I told him the price, he was kind of angry or mad that we were selling. But it's like, what are you expecting, dude? And so my first tip, when someone says, I'm not rich, okay, you can go straight to the, wait a second, dude, you are rich, okay? Like, you're living in one of the most freest country in the world, one of the best country in the world, even though with what has been going on in the past year, right? In Canada, right? You are free. You're not in jail, right? You have all your brain. You have in perfect mental health. You're probably in good shape as well. I see you're in good shape, right? Dude, you are rich, okay? And I want to make you understand something. If you talk like that, if you hate money, if you hate rich people, if you kind of say, no, I don't like them, I don't want to be like them, well, guess what? You're never going to have money. You're never going to be financially free. You're never going to be rich yourself. Now, don't stop hating on the word rich. Rich is not a bad thing, dude. Now, I don't want you to be rich. I just want you to be financially free first, right? And by the way, you can go in another thing. By the way, bro, like you said you've been following us since like 4 or 5 years. Have you got at least a free course on how to become financially free? Because you don't need to make thousands and thousands of dollars every day to become financially free. You would have been since a while. So I think the issue, bro, is your mindset. And I'm saying that respectfully. Look, there's a saying, right? 80% mindset, 20% skills. So brother, like this is one of the main things that we're going to teach you, like the mindset, the skills. Like, trust me, right? I understand human psychology. I understand what is going on in your head, and there's something wrong. Like, this is a broke mindset. Now, brother, like, I believe you really don't have $500 like right now because I gave you only a N-track transfer option. But like, you don't have a credit card? You don't have zero credit card that you have $500? Like, you don't have some, like, okay, then is your credit score really, really bad, or did you mess it up or what? No, I didn't mess it up. Okay, cool. Go on capitalone.com, capitalone.ca. They're gonna give you a credit card of $500 at least, 100% for sure accepted. It's gonna take 1 to 3 weeks to get it in the mail. Get that. Come back to us when you have the $500, bro. So these are a few tips. I hope it's gonna help you. It was better in French, so I did the same version in French, but you know, right now we're killing it with the offer, and really, like, I just wanted to record that for my future salesmen, because we're gonna get some salesmen real quick, because you know it's 27, 28 degrees Celsius, so it's like 90 Fahrenheit, I think, something like that, maybe even 95, and I'm fucking inside doing some sales call, right? I shouldn't. I'm the CEO. But that's fine, guys. I'm still grinding. I had a little bit of finance issue in the past month, so you know I'm grinding. I wanna avoid paying the commission for now, and I wanted to make sure that the offer is converting. You always gotta do thing. You always gotta do you always gotta do the thing in your business yourself first. You gotta master, because if you're not a master or at least really great or knowledgeable, right, at all the thing in your business, how are you gonna know if the guy is doing his job well, right? So these were a few tips, my people, a few sell tip, a few business tip. I hope you're gonna like that. Show some love. Maybe I'm gonna do more of them. And if you have a business, if you're making more than 5,000 or a personal brand and you're making more than $5,000 per month right now, let's fucking scale it up. Let's fucking 10x it. I didn't want to show you the Rolex, my bad. I wanted to show you the 10x, Grant Cardone 10x, right? Grant Cardone is one of my best mentor. Be Obsessed or Be Average, one of my favorite book, if it's not my favorite book. Dude, let's fucking 10x that shit. Let's get you to 50K per month, or at least double that, 10K, quadruple that to 15, 20K per month. Let's go. Book a free phone call with me if you're qualified, basically if you're making at least $5,000 per month. And I will show you my funnel consultation offer and funnel creation and consultation offer. You need a funnel. You need a good funnel. You need a 4-product empire. Let's kill it. Let's kill it, my people. Take care. Book a free phone call. I hope you got value. Drop a like.